All right, so y'all, this is number 2 out of 3.5. And the question says, give any equations of any vertical, horizontal, or oblique asymptotes for the graphical function. Okay, so the first part says, what's the equation of the vertical asymptote? Okay, so just a quick reminder, the way we find the vertical asymptotes, oops, there you go, is we set the bottom part equal to 0. So I'm going to take the bottom part here, 4x plus 2. I'm going to set that equal to 0. When I move that 2 over, since we're crossing the equal sign, it's going to become a negative 2. Then we'll go ahead and divide both sides by 4, and I can reduce this and get a negative 1/2. So right here, y'all, I'm going to write x equals negative 1/2. So let me show you how that's going to work here. So right here, type in negative 1 over 2, and we'll check it. Oh, come on, check. Why is it not checking? Ah, I gotta hit A. There we go. Now we can check it, and we got it. Okay, good. So now there's the second part. It says, what about a horizontal asymptote? Okay, so let me do this, and let's come back to our problem. And I'm just going to pull up the same picture so that now we can do the horizontal asymptote. Okay, so in finding the horizontal asymptote, okay, or the HA, the way we're going to do this, y'all, is we're going to look at the degree of the top and the degree of the bottom. What I mean by the degree is it's the highest power of x. Okay, so when I look at my problem, f of x equals 3 minus 3x over 4x plus 2, the powers of x that I'm looking at are this one here and this one here. And so they both have x to the power 1s because they're just x's, right? So when I don't see a power, the power is understood to be 1. So because they're both the same, the way we find the horizontal asymptote, it's going to be y equals, and what we're going to do is we're going to take the fraction of the leading coefficients. What I mean by that, y'all, is I'm going to take this number, negative 3, over this number, positive 4. So my horizontal asymptote is going to be y equals negative 3 over 4. Okay? And anytime the degrees are the same, we always take the fraction of the leading coefficients. So look, let's come back to our problem. And right here, we're going to put negative 3 over 4, negative 3 over 4. And we're going to check our answer, and we got it. And then what about any oblique asymptotes? So y'all, we don't have any oblique asymptotes, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and check my answer here. And next question. So guys, on question 3, there was an oblique asymptote, but I didn't go through that in the notes. So we notice when you go to question 3, I removed that question for you guys, okay? Because I didn't cover that in the video or in the notes. But that's how you do vertical and horizontal asymptotes, okay? If y'all got any questions, let me know. I'm happy to help.